Good day, everyone. I am Wilgie Tagalog. I am the second reporter, and my topic is portion control in food production. So, what do you mean by portion control in food production? In food production, portion control is a vital for achieving consistency in product quality. So, kung naatay portion control, ma-achieve nato by reducing food waste. So, hindi masasayang ang ating mga pagkain and managing production cost effectively. Kung naatay control sa ato ang pagkaon, magpabilin ang consistency. And managing production cost effectively. It is involved determining the exact quality of ingredient used in preparing meals or packaging food items. So for examples, we have here a methods as tools for portioning. We have scoop and ladles. So this is one of the example of scoop and ladles. Scoop and ladles in portion control um, are essential tools for portion control in food preparation, ensuring consistency, serving size, and reducing food waste. So makita nimo mo siya tax tanan. So kana siya ginagamit siya for para naa siya measure or like for example kung naninda ta sa mga kalendarya. So naman na sila mash out ginagamit para kung mapalit ka o pagkaon katura ilang gamiton para ma-measure para maparehas sila papantay ra. So the next one is the digital scale, are essential for portion control in food production, ensuring consistency and accuracy in serving sizes. So they help to manage costs, minimize food waste. So dako kay siya guild need ang digital skills to food portion control para ma-minimize ang mga pagkaon na dili masayang and improve customer satisfaction by delivering consistent quality and portion sizes. Digital scale are also used for receiving and inventory management. For example, weight, proteins, 6 Oz stick or pasta. Example, 2 Oz dry weight. So para dili siya masayang kay more of the next one is free portion pack. Individually wrapped items. So the butter pack condiments. The mao to ang methods, visual guides, so plating diagram, photos and finished dishes for staff preference. So mao to siya ang visual guide. So karon kay we talk about the recipe standardization. So standardized recipe with exact quantities. For example, 50 grams cheese per sandwich. So naatay 50 grams per sandwich. Yield Yields calculate portion from bulk prep, example 1 kilogram beef to 10 100 grams burgers. So, and that's all. Thank you.